If you're looking for another semiconductor stock that could outperform the market like Nvidia, then this might be it. Because on the last trading day, we detected unusual option activity being traded on this semiconductor stock. So in this video, we will analyze this data to find out how wealthy investors are trading this stock. Because as we all know, the rich have more access to information, sometimes leaked insider information, to pick the best stocks at the right time. No wonder the rich get richer. So which semiconductor stock are they trading now? Tower Semiconductor. Ticker symbol TSEM. Now, don't get confused with the other semiconductor company known as TSM with no E. This is Taiwan Semiconductor. Okay, very different company. And in fact, this company is one of our stock picks last month for members only. And you can see that because it's trading at new highs, we are very profitable on this trade. We shared this stock pick in this video to our members only last month on May 23rd because we had analyzed these unusual call options. And you can see that they were worth about $126 million. And that's why we went long bullish on Taiwan Semiconductor based on our analysis. And that is why it is currently very profitable, more than 100% now. So if you are interested in the stock picks that we share with our members only, we'll put a link at the top here where we use this type of analysis and also setting up option strategies to reduce our risk in order to increase our profits. Now, what is going on with Tower Semiconductor? Because we can see here that the 52-week high is actually at $41. It's trading at $39, so it has not broken its high yet. So perhaps this is why there is an opportunity. Okay, and when we take a look at the data from the unusual option activity on the tape here, notice at the last few minutes of the market at 3:54, we had these trades happening. 500 quantity, but it's not just 500, okay? Because when we take a look at the entire chain, we can see here for June 17 when these options were being traded, notice here there's actually 10,000 of them. Okay, and so what they were doing in this trade based on our analysis is opening these new trades for the October options at the 40 strike and the 45 strike. They were taking profits from their July 19 options. Okay, for these 33 strike calls, they were closing out to take profits. The open interest, you can see 25,000 greater than the volume, right? For both of these strikes at the 33 strike and the 40 strikes, which is the options that they were trading simultaneously, rolling their trades. Okay, same time, you can see in the morning they were doing this as well right here. Okay, and so we had this total of 10,000 contracts being traded for these October 18 that they were opening at the 40 strike calls, buying them and selling the 45 strike calls to open. And so when we analyze this trade, you can see that this is a vertical call spread here. And by looking at this profit loss graph, the x-axis here represents the share price of Tower Semiconductor stock. You can see it's currently trading here at $39. And on the y-axis here is the profit loss. We have 0 here as baseline, and if it's below it, it is a loss. That's why there's a negative. So when these lines, the purple line and the blue line, is below this break-even line, it is a loss. Okay? And you can see that the blue line has a loss of 175 at expiration because the blue line represents the expiration date of October 18, whereas the purple line represents the current date. So if it rallies sooner in time, it will actually start to become profitable right away. Okay? But keep in mind the risk on options is theta decay. Okay, and that is why the break even over here is actually shifted upwards at expiration, because this option trade does decay in value. So it has to trade above $41.77 by expiration for these to be profitable. And that is why we have a theta decay here of negative 0.44. We have a positive delta because this is a bullish long trade. If it was a short bearish trade, it would be a negative delta. Okay, so that is why we know that this wealthy investor is bullish and going long. And since the break even is above $41, then in conclusion, they believe that we will break and make new highs. And so this is why Tower Semiconductor could be a good opportunity that will outperform the market. Now, if you're interested in diversifying your stock picks in other industries to increase your chance of beating the market, then make sure to go to our website where we share our stock picks and our trading strategies to increase profits. Let us know in the comments below what you think will happen to Tower Semiconductor. Will it break and make new highs? As usual, please smash the like button. Take care and have a great day.